Hey guys, Ashley here with Handmade Haven, and today I'm going to walk you through my process of installing my barn door hardware. This barn door hardware that I'm using is from Artisan hardware. They sent this over to me, so big thanks to you guys, and this is the Horseshoe barn door hardware. So first thing I did was just kind of lay out the track on my surface and then mark the holes. One thing that I really loved about this hardware was that the holes were pre-drilled. I've had hardware before that wasn't pre-drilled and it was a little bit of a pain, so this was definitely a plus for me. Next, I used my 1/4 inch bit to drill pilot holes into each of the circle markings that I made. Try to make sure you're drilling in evenly because this will definitely help when applying the track. Once the holes were drilled, I laid out the spacers on the holes and laid the bar on top of it. Then I took my lag bolts and put them into the spacer and used a wrench to tighten each one of the lag bolts. If your holes are drilled evenly, your lag bolt should go in pretty easily. And I made sure to do the first hole on the track and then the last hole in the track and then the middle ones. I repeated the same steps for the second part of the track and used a square to make sure everything was lined and centered up. And now on to the door hangers. So I used a 1.3 to use as a placeholder into the groove, just so I could correctly mark where to put the hanger. And like the track saw, I just used a pin to mark the 4 holes. Once the holes were marked, I used a 3/8 inch bit to drill in the holes. After I removed the wood debris from the door, I placed the hanger over the mounting holes and put in the bolts. I lifted the barn door up so I could get to the back side so I could tighten each one of the bolts. I placed a spacer on each bolt and then tightened with a wrench. And now on to adding the door handles. This handle design is the Simple Handle by Artisan Hardware in black, and you can find it on their site. I'll be putting all links in the description below, so be sure to go check it out. This process was pretty simple. I just used the 4 screws that came with the handle and screwed them into the door. One little tip is to screw in one handle on the door and then hang the doors up on the media center, so then you can gauge where your other handle should go. And that's it. I love the way this hardware looks on my new media center, and I just love the durability and the easiness of the application. Be sure to go check out Artisan Hardware at www.artisanhardware.com. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. Later, guys.